Alright guys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to this beautiful song here, a beautiful collab, Usher and Her. And this one is called Risk It All. So very aesthetic song if you look at the music video, and yeah, very nice as well. When it comes to the playing, we have mainly 3 chords here. So yeah, we're gonna look at those 3 chords, and we don't need any capo for this one, so we're going clean. Let's take a look at the chords here. So the first one will be a A# major 7. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. The next chord is A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have something of a G chord or so, G7 perhaps, it could be, but this is the grip you need to start with. So I suggest you hold the middle finger here on the 3rd fret E string, the ring finger on the 3rd fret B string, and the little pinky there on the 4th fret G string. And you could go down from there as well, and you pick those strings here if you want, the strings I mentioned there, but you can also have prepared to lift off the little pinky there on the 4th fret G string to use your index and hit it on the 2nd fret G string as well. So you can combine this sound with this sound. So it all happens there on the G string, so 4th to 2nd. So that's the reason for this fingers on this position. All right, so this is the chord progression here: A sharp to A minor to G, and you can go like I showed you in the introduction here of this tutorial, just plain downs, 2 downs on A sharp, then 2 downs on A minor, and then 4 downs on G. Alright, but then you can alternate to show you this variation here with the index finger on the 2nd fret G string. You can do that for 2 times or just, and then stay with this main grip here. And then we also have to add some extra notes to it from the A sharp there. These 2 notes are important as well in the song, so you find them there on the E string, 1st fret E string, and open E string, right in between the A sharp and the A minor. So 2 downs, and then comes the 2 downs on the A minor. And you can add these notes as well on the open E, and then 3rd B. And that 3rd B is where you need to position your finger for the next G chord. So you see, it flows there with this transition or bridge notes that takes you from one chord to the next one, and you have the notes there already. So that happened with the open E string, which you're gonna hit again on the A minor 7, and then you have the open E to the 3rd B to get then the final G chord. So that is what you're gonna work with and play around a little bit with it. It starts very stripped off, so to speak, in the beginning of the song, and then it adds up more and more with additional notes and so. Yeah, give it a try. This is one way to handle the song here from Usher and Her, Risk It All. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Until then, play tuned.